Good morning and welcome to another program of Light and Life, coming to you from Melbourne, Channel 31. Next we have Kingsley talking to Bandu about the benefits of Mediterranean diet.
Kingsley, for a long time now we have been talking about various forms of diet for well-being, Pritikin diet and so on. Now I understand that there has been an article in one of the British medical journals about the Mediterranean diet. So have you read that?
Yes, Bandu, for a long time we have heard about the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Now recently, the findings of some research which they have been doing for some time were released. And the study was done by the university in Athens in Greece.
Right.
Now, they have found that people who are on a Mediterranean diet are 47% less likely to develop heart disease. Now, the study is based, they say, from a representative sample of 2,500 people.
Are they from the Mediterranean region or the Greek? Or?
Actually, that is the point. The point is, when I read that, the study was done in and around Athens.
Right.
So not even in the rural areas.
Right.
And what they have done is they have taken some Greek adults between the ages of 18 and 89,
right.
2,500 of these,
right.
And they have, now the interesting part, Bandu, this study has been done over a 10-year period. And so it's a long study, and this group of people were surveyed, were questioned, their medical records were checked year by year, and their food, the type of diet
must have been checked, what they have been eating. And
that's right. So, they have looked at and measured them according to a scale from 1 to 55. Now, they have found that the people who were mostly on the Mediterranean diet were much likely.
So what do you call a Mediterranean diet?
That is the thing. So Mediterranean diet, when I looked at it, they said is mainly fresh fruit and vegetables, fish, poultry. Of course, even they have even cheeses and an odd glass of red wine.
Yeah.
But, I found it surprising that according to this report, Mediterranean diet, contrary to what I believed, had very much less meat and processed foods.
Yeah, actually, usually, it doesn't take a big study to see that the vegetarian diet, the fruits, the olive oil, and a couple of glasses of wine a day will keep you healthy anyway.
Yes. The thing is that this is not the only study, and studies done before by the various researchers have found that this Mediterranean diet can help in certain diseases like even Alzheimer's,
right.
cancer, and most cardiovascular and diabetes. And that is was even published, I believe, in the British Medical Journal. So now, according to these researchers, that this diet can prolong your lifespan. Now, again, then I read to see why. Why is it that it can prolong the lifespan? And according to this study, not this particular study, according to the studies of these researchers, that the aging process is when the body weakens. It's the build-up of cells which are damaged. We all know that.
Yeah, degeneration of cells.
That's right. and the cells, the human cells, tend to produce and regenerate and multiply. And they say that this process of aging can be somewhat controlled, not completely eliminated, otherwise we'll all live forever, is somewhat controlled through this diet. Now, it is an interesting subject.
So Kingsley, now he said the Mediterranean diet, as you said, it's not very, it's not a special diet. So in people who live in Australia, like Melbourne and so on, what can we glean out of this study?
Well, the beauty of this is this, Bandu, even one of these researchers in this Greek study has said that, look, this type of food is available all over the world.
Right.
Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, seeds, nuts, and fish. So it is available to most people in most parts of the world. Only thing is that you got to have the discipline to stick to some of these, And I suppose...
So if people want, they can read more about Mediterranean type of diet.
Yes, so anyway, I thought it might be not a bad a subject to discuss.
To share the results of this study. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Bandu.
That brings us to the end of the program today. Hope you enjoyed the program. I am Mihiri Disanayaka.